Hey guys, welcome back to the video and welcome to Silent Lake. Alright guys, welcome to our second video from Silent Lake Provincial Park. Today we are starting at the main beach here near the head office, and we are going to do the 15-kilometer Silent Lake loop.
Ready, Devin?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what it's called?
I believe so, yeah. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called.
Yeah.
We're in for a long
The
hike.
Shoreline Trail. That's what it's called.
Yes.
The Silent Lake Shoreline Trail.
We packed a lunch. We're ready to rock. Let's do this.
This trail actually starts on the same trail that we did in our last video, the Lakehead Loop. Now, we did the entire first kilometer all the way to the first lookout yesterday. So that's where we're gonna start, but instead of doubling back on the loop from there, we are just going to keep going and follow the shoreline.
For reference, we are starting this video at 9:20 on the button. Let's go. To the first lookout, same as yesterday.
So this is the first kilometer in, and the first lookout. The lake's looking pretty peaceful and nice this morning.
Yeah.
The water looks so nice.
All right, we are officially 1 kilometer in on the Lakeshore Trail. Only 14 to go. She's already beautiful. This is a nice hike so far. I'm excited.
It's gonna be like on kilometer 14.
Well, let's find out.
Yeah.
Well, I assume by kilometer 14 we'll be willing to drive.
So far,
Coming up
this is a really nice trail.
We've got to be coming up on the 2K soon.
I love how close it is to the water in most sections.
Less mosquitoes too.
Yep, less mosquitoes. The breeze is nice,
Yeah.
and we have shade palm trees.
Yeah, it's kind of, well, this direction.
No, so far this is really good.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, this is awesome. You're on a rock too? Best one yet. Lookouts are going to be the highlight of your hike. Oh my god, it wasn't wrong. Where I'm standing is the perfect view, no joke.
All right, so I just seen a sign over there, 12 and a half more kilometers to the parking lot. So we're a few K in. That's not bad.
Yeah.
I'll take it. So far it's been beautiful. There's been epic views, even not noted on their scenic view lookout. I love it so far. A+.
So the sign at the beginning did say this had some rugged terrain and would be a moderately challenging hike. And for the most part, it's actually been pretty good, just a lot of tree roots. But then every now and then you come to a section like that where you gotta be careful.
sweat is worth it. Cute lookout.
All right, we made it to another lookout.
Yeah, this is a nice one.
This is. All right, we've made it to our lookout spot where we are gonna stop, take a break, and have some lunch, which is good because I think all our legs are needing a little break at this point.
All right, we just finished our lunch and now we're getting our booties back on the trail. Let's go. Slow and steady.
What do I do now?
Aaron, jump right over. Keep going. Good job.
Easy.
So this section of the trail is a little bit further away from the shoreline. It's very swampy on this side of the lake. So I imagine the trail kind of comes away from the shore just to avoid some of that low-lying water. So it's a couple kilometers through the forest at this point, but this trail is super nice. Yes, there's a lot of bugs right now, but we've had a rainy week, so that's to be expected.
And
But
in the grand scheme of things, not the worst bug-ridden forest we've ever been in.
no, we've definitely seen worse bugs. But so far, this trail is fantastic.
Kilometer.
Just a few trees in the way today.
This is what we look like after 14 kilometers, well, technically more than 14 kilometers of hiking. Sweaty mess, gross, but worth it, so good. Kilometer 14, we're almost there. Whew.
So this section of the trail actually is the last section. It goes right past the cabins that are here to rent at the park. And I gotta say, they look pretty nice.
Yeah, not quite as new as the ones we stayed at in Rideau River, but
very
super
nice
cute,
looking.
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, that means we're almost done this hike.
Oh my goodness. It was good, guys. If you like a challenge, oh my God.
Yeah.
My legs are feeling it. A lot of ups and downs, but it was a good one. I enjoyed it.
Look at where we are.
Yep, we did it.
All right, guys, we have made it back to the main beach, which is where we started the hike. We have completed the loop. Now, on the board, it said it was going to be a 15-kilometer hike. However, our Strava app that we had going told us that we walked 19.57 kilometers, which is a lot more than we thought we were going to.
Yeah.
That is a personal best for
All of us.
at least Devin I think that's our longest hike too, though.
I think so, yeah.
It took us 5 hours and 58 minutes of hiking. We did pause that for lunch, so add on an extra 20-25 minutes for that.
Yeah.
But man, what a hike.
It was good.
Definitely challenging. There were some parts that were extremely steep, and there were some spots that were extremely muddy.
Yeah, wear proper hiking boots, absolutely.
Yeah, but now it's time to go for a swim. Let's go. Well, how's the water?
It's nice.
It's pretty warm, actually. So the beaches here are actually pretty nice. It's all sand, no rocks, and it's pretty shallow, so it's warm too. You ready for some food or what?
Oh yeah, I'm hungry. I've been hungry since that hike.
Sausages were delicious. I'm on to dessert. Tonight, we're going to use the peanut butter version of the Mr. Beast chocolate bars. My personal favorite. Just kidding. Good morning, guys. It is our final day here, and I'm kind of sad about it, but kind of need a shower. So we are just starting our day with some hot drinks and some breakfast, and then we are going to tear down and head out.
So that's a wrap on Silent Lake Provincial Park. I've absolutely loved it here.
I really enjoyed this park. It was so beautiful, and the trees are just phenomenal. Like, they're gigantic.
It really gives off the Algonquin vibes, but without the crowdedness of Algonquin Park.
Yeah.
It has the same landscape, it's got beautiful lakes, but the sites are a lot more spread out, things are a lot more private,
Yeah.
and there's definitely a lot less people here than there is at Algonquin.
That I enjoyed. Not as much wildlife, though. That I'm kind of sad about, but I kind of expected that.
Yeah, all we saw was a couple frogs, some robins, and a lot of mosquitoes.
And chipmunks and red squirrels.
Yeah.
Speaking of the devil, red squirrel on the way.
But it was a rainy couple days here in the forest, so the mosquitoes, they're bound to be around.
What do you do?
So not much you can do about that. But we're all packed up, and I guess it's time to get in the car and
Yep.
head back home.
I guess.
All right, thanks a lot for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. It looks like something out of a dream. This doesn't look real.
It's very beautiful.
Blech.